Hello everyone, I am Ankur Mishra and today we are going to learn the control flow in Python. So I'm going to start this tutorial where we are going to learn the control flow. Within a control flow we know about if, else and loop and also switch cases. Like we can consider like how we can use these control flow which is helpful for our decision making in a programming. So here I already mentioned like a control flow in a Python. Control flow is giving you determine the order in which code execute. It will give you the way where we can use our conditions and give the correct answer based on conditions, and we can which which will give you a smooth path according to your conditions. And control flow help us in decision making and repeating task, right? First we are going to know about like a if statement. If statement is you can consider as a, like a if conditions, and it is a very important in our programming language where we are just need to execute a little bit code where we have to define the one condition, so we can use the if conditions used to execute a block of a code if a condition is true. Just because of a one condition we have to rectify here, so that's why we can go with the if statement. Suppose we are just checking, like here you can see the example. We are just checking the x is the our variable, and we are suggesting, we are hoping uh, x if x greater than 10, then we can say like this is a true condition, and we are giving the our output. Otherwise we are not giving output. So this is the one conditions, and based on the after executing this expression, so we already know about the x greater than 10 is our expressions. And if whenever it will execute, and it will give you just boolean value in terms of like true and false. If condition is true, then it will give you the our result, otherwise it will not give us any result, right? So this is the if conditions. And now we have suppose we have a one condition if x is greater than 10, that is okay. If we don't have a x uh, greater than 10, so what we need to print on that time, because we have to show our output x is greater than 10 or x is less than 10 to the user, right? So on that condition we can use if else statement. So here as per the description, execute one block if condition is true, otherwise another. If the condition is true, then you will get the greater on the screen. Print will display this sentence greater. Otherwise, if x is less than 10, then it will print you or display you on your screen smaller or equal. So this is the if else condition we can use in based on our according to our conditions, right? Here we have a one more conditions like a if, elif and else. Suppose we have as per this example we can go with suppose we have a x that is a greater than 10. You can assign you can assume x as a variable and assign to 11. This is a greater than 10, right? So you will get the greater sentence on the screen. Suppose you have a 10, value is a 10, and you are checking your condition based on 10. So in first block you are just checking x greater than 10 or not, right? Otherwise you are just printing like a smaller. If you leave this elif condition, so you are just checking within a if else condition, right? What about x is equal to 10? Then here we can use the elif condition. So you can check it here also. This is the one example, x greater than 10, then it will print a greater. Elif x equal to 10, then it will print equal. Or if both conditions are fail, then we can say like a smaller will print on your screen, right? So if elif or else condition is used in multiple conditions, if we have, right? So here you can see the description also used for multiple condition. Yeah, nested conditions. Nested condition is like you have a condition, based on that condition you have another one more conditions. You can, according to this description, condition inside another conditions, right? So that called we can say like a nested conditions, right? So here you can see x greater than 10, or suppose it would be true, right? And then you come to the inside of this true block, and here one condition is also apply. If x is less than 20, right, then it will print your between 10 to 20, right? So your one condition is true, and you can suppose your x value is 12, then your one condition is true, second condition will be true, then it will print you between 10 and 20, right? And suppose your one condition is true, x is greater than 10, and x would be you can consider as 21, right? So second condition will not true because of your 21 value in a x, right? So what you can do, you can apply within this if else, right? Or either you can apply if, elif, and else. Within a nested loop you can apply according to requirement. You can also apply different condition. So this is a nested condition. So don't worry, we will learn this is the theoretical concept, and we will also learn with the practical in this tutorial. So be on this uh, video, right? So we have a match case. It you cannot see this match cases in before 3.10 because it was not present in that before 3.10 Python version. But now we have a video from 3.10. It was available. It is available now, and you can see here, instead of using it is like an alternative to multiple condition, if else conditions, right? Here, and you can check out here one example with this one. Match is like you are giving some value to the match, and it will check all the value or condition you can give the base instead of x, and based on this it will give you you can uh, suppose your based on your value, it will go on that block which is the match with the case, right? Suppose you are giving 1 to x, then case block 1 will print 1, right? And suppose you are giving the 2, then it will print your 2 block second block 2, because case 2 match with your value, then it will print 2, right? So this is also a alternative for if else conditions. And difference is like when you go with the if else conditions, so if else condition will execute one by one every times, and it will take more than your more time as compared to match case conditions, right? But here, if match x your value, it will like you are assigning the two, so it will not check one and not go under the like last value underscore. It will go over the case 2 and it will print 2. So it does not need to go one by one. So this is the difference, and it will has helpful whenever you go with the like multiple conditions, right? So here is some a little bit summary related to our control flow, where we are cover single condition with the if conditions, and l if else condition with the two outcomes. And if we have a multiple condition, then we can go with the like a if, elif and else conditions. Otherwise we have a nested like a condition inside a condition, then we can go with the nested condition. And for the cleaner switch like structures, then we can use the match cases. In for the multiple condition, we can also use this one, right? So now we are going to learn this all example in a practical way, so that it will clear to all like how we are using this, and how where we can use this one, right? So one by one we are going to check all the this, condition. We are going to start with the if statement, right? So I already opened this editor, Sublime editor. So we are going to start here. So suppose we have a x is the variable, and we are going to assign 10. So so now we have a one variable x, and we already assigned that this with the value 10. And we are going to check if condition our if x is greater than 10, then it will print x is greater than 10, right? And we know about this one, x we assign the 10, so we did not apply here any comparison of like we already apply the comparison operator, but without equal sign. So it will not print anything here. Why? Because we just apply the greater than sign, not equal to greater than, right? So now we are going to print this uh, value, and we are going to see like what it will give us. So you can see we don't have any value or result, because we assign the value with the 10, right? Variable with the 10. Now we are going to change this with the 9, and now we can, here is our 9 value. If I told you about variable x with the 9 value of 9, oh sorry, x have a 9 value, so that's why it is not giving us any value. When you when you change this value with the greater than 10, it means like you are going to change like this and save, then it will print your value, right? And now you can see here the x is a greater than 10. right? This is the single condition, so where we are checking our x value variable is greater than 10 or not, right? So we have this one, and now we can see here we know about one problem with the here. When we have a smaller than 10, then it will not print anything, you can see, right? But according to the requirement, like a user, if you want to show something, if you have any error, so you need to give some give some hint or anything as log, or to the user, like he can understand. So what you can do, you just need to, then we have a one more conditions with the else, right? So you can provide here else and give the print, and you can tell x is smaller than 10. And now if you run this code, you will get the answer. Now your x value is 9. This condition is not true. X greater than 10 is not true. Then it is coming here else, within an else block, and it will print, it is printing x is smaller than 10. You can see the result here also. So this is the uh, uh, two condition. Based on two condition, you can check out to buy this control flow. And suppose you already see, you already seeing this expression. We are not giving the greater than equal or greater than. So if I apply this 9 to 10, so it will not print anything. Oh, sorry, it will print your condition, but wrong, because our x is the 10, which is not greater than 10 and not less than 10. So here we need to apply one more conditions, like if our x is equal to 10. So what we can do with that one? So we have to apply, we can apply L if condition, or here we can check out this one, x, if x equal to 10, then we can print x is equal to 10. And now you can check this value will change, your display will change here, and now you can see this x is equal to 10. We can also without this we can also change, we can also print this data with the equal sign. And now you can see, but here you can check out this one, our statement statement is giving us x is a greater than 10, but our value is not greater than 10 or not less than 10, so statement would be wrong here, right? It will print, but wrong here. So in this condition we can apply the our earlier code, this one, earlier code, this one, and it will helpful if you have a multiple condition in that case, right? So we have been read single condition, double condition, and multiple condition within a control flow, right? So we have done elif, or if else, if elif else, and nested if. So we are going to check our nested condition with the same example. So suppose we have a value of x is 10. As of now 10, we can go with the 10. So if x greater than 10, then this is okay. And suppose so we just change this one 12, so this is okay, right? And we have to, based on this, we have to print we have to check another condition also. So if x is less than 20, then it will print our result x is between 10, 11 to, not 11, we can go with the 10 to 20. Then it will print this condition, otherwise it will not print anything here. You can check. We are going to run this one, and you can check out this why it is coming here, because we just need we just apply that 12 value. We just assign that 12 value to variable, right? And when we apply here with 21, then what it will give you? It will not give you anything. Why? Because we are checking this condition also, and after checking this condition we didn't apply the else conditions or any another condition to check if we don't have an exact match, then what we need to print. So this is the nested condition in the control flow, right? So we have done the nested conditions in our flow control flow. Now we have a one more condition with this with the match case. Now we are going to check out this one also. So we are going to check the this conditions with the one, and we have to check match. We are checking them. We are going to check match x case 1. If x value would be 1, then it will print 1. If case value 2, then it will print 2. Or if case, well, nothing, we don't have any case value in x, then we just call this nothing, right? And currently we have a x value with a 1, so it should print us the 1, right? If I change this value with a 2, so it should print 2. And suppose we don't have a match value, suppose we are giving the 3, then it should print nothing, right? So this is the match condition which was coming in a uh, in 3.10 Python versions, right? So we have done our control flow series here, and we have also done this if statement which is coming in the control flow, if else, if else conditions, and nested and match case, right? So we have done with the theoretical and practical part also. And if you like this video, please subscribe and comment and share also. Thank you so much for watching this video.